Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for popping in today if this is your first time, and welcome. Today I am going to film 6 beauty products that I currently cannot live without. I repurchase these things over and over again and I think they're really great quality. I feel like that's something I want to share with you. So I wrote down prices and a little bit of info about each product. I am just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. But before I do, just finished filming this makeup look. This was with Bite Beauty Multi-Stick. So if that's something that you're into, I'll put the link down below to this video. So the first thing that I cannot live without, and I have used for years, is my Ulta Beauty It's the Ulta Beauty Crease Brush. For a long time, I've had this thing for few years. I'm not sure how long, but it's all worn off. So I actually looked up for you today what this is, or at least what the closest thing is that they have now as this for sale. And it is the Airbrush Blending Crease Brush number 105. And this retails for $14. Really, for this good quality of brush, that is not bad. Brushes these days are so expensive, and this is one I literally use every day if I do any type of eyeshadow work at all. So definitely worth it. Actually, I did my makeup today with foundation, and I'm starting to kind of get interested in doing it with a brush and not so much with a beauty sponge anymore. And I got this free sample. It is actually their Airbrush foundation brush, same brand, and it worked really well. Like, I'm really happy with the way my complexion came out today. So this might be something I might invest in full size. Okay, second thing that I cannot live without is the NARS Complete Matte Concealer. I have used this for same thing for a few years at least. This is in the shade Light Vanilla 2. It says matte, but it's really not like horrible matte. It's a really great quality. It comes in here. Now you do have to dip in it with your finger, but what I love about it is that you only need a little bit, and literally the coverage is so good and it's so smooth. You probably can't even see it. This is a swatch from a video I did earlier. I tried to wipe it off, but it's just like the softest smooth. Here, let me try again. It is just the smoothest consistency, and it does so good at covering like little blue veins that are above your eyelid, and anything in here like redness, anything. And I even have a summer shade. I don't have it handy with me right now, but this is my winter shade, and I do have a summer shade. But this is another product I highly recommend. This retails for $30. So of course NARS is a little more pricey. Honestly though, NARS is one of my all-time favorite brands. I would probably really recommend any NARS product. Probably if I ever do favorite videos, there'll probably be a NARS product in every single one. Next thing on my list that I cannot live without, which would be number 3, is the PIXI Wake Up Vitamin Water Mist. This is great for so many things. You can use it to spray your face in the morning and give you some fresh wake up. It does smell very good. It says orange blossom. It says orange blossom and citrus extract, and it does. It smells like fresh oranges, and like I like to drink orange juice in the morning, so sometimes it's just that smell just helps you to wake up, give your eyes a little brightening wake up call. So that is one thing. I also use it to spray my beauty sponge. This is dirty at the moment, but I spray it to wet it, especially if I'm doing concealer around my eyes. I feel like same thing, it helps to open my eyes and brighten them up and help me wake up in the morning. And then also it works as just a finishing spray, especially if I'm going to work in the morning and I just want to spray it on my face all over again. I just douse it. It has a very nice mist. Like, I don't even know if you could see that, but it looks like it shoots out, but it's a very nice fine mist. And actually I'm getting pretty low on it. I actually just ordered, because I made a big online order from Target, ordered a new one, so it's fresh. So that shows that I do repurchase this, and this is something I've gotten my sisters hooked on as well. It's just a great all-around product. So the next product that I cannot live without since it came out is the Monsieur Big Lancôme mascara. It's volumizing, it darkens my lashes because I have naturally blonde lashes, and it just gives the best lift. And if there's anything that I need for my eyes is lift and life. And this mascara does it for me. It's a little wet when you first open it, but then after a little bit, it dries just like a tiny bit, and it's literally the perfect consistency. I really love this. This retails for $25. So again, kind of a pricier product. This isn't as pricey as some mascaras for high-end brands that's out, but it's a bigger tube, and really the drier it gets, like once it's drying out, it's still nice and it still does a good job. It might not be as wet and fresh, but it still does its job. So I feel like this is worth the money. There is a mini size available, but I think it's like $12, and for me, once you spend that much on a mini, you might as well just get the full size. So another thing that I have come to not being able to live without is the Simple Cleansing Wipes. These are the, I'm pretty sure this is like the sensitive, is it the sensitive skin? They have different ones, and I've actually tried their, I've tried another one. It's like a white packaging. I can't actually remember what it is, but this retails for $4.49, which is a little more expensive for makeup wipes, but honestly, I don't use them to wipe off my face every day. I use them to wipe off swatches and such when I've been trying to film and do pictures and everything. And maybe when I go and travel, it's also nice. I don't have to bring all my cleansers and everything. I just bring a few bare minimum things with me. But what I love most about them is that they don't burn your face or burn your eyes when you're taking off the makeup. They are just, it's just a non-scented, very smooth. It feels good when you're taking it off. Like I said, no burning at all. And the wipes themselves, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to kind of show this on camera, but they're like bumps. I don't know if you can kind of see, there's like little bumps, yeah, right there. And I feel like that just helps grab all the more makeup off of you. I don't know, I haven't seen other wipes be like that, and it's just something I love. And when I did get the other wipes from this brand, they didn't have the bumps on them, and I was like, oh wow, these aren't what I expected. I don't know if I picked it up on accident or decided to try something new, but definitely the light green package. Actually, I usually pick it up. It's a twin pack you can get, so then you get a little money off. And I get these at Walmart or Target too. Okay, so the last thing within the last year, I feel like I can't live without, and it's not really, I guess it's kind of a beauty product, but it's also something just that makes me feel good because it smells so good. And that is the Mon Paris perfume from YSL. I'm actually like literally on the last drops, so I have been really preserving this, and to show you and prove to you that it is a fantabulous smell, I have just repurchased this, and it's in a bigger and better package. I gifted myself this little guy here for Christmas, and it has, this was the 1.6 ounce, I believe. Yeah, 1.6 fluid ounces. And I flew through this well within a year, and I never do that much for perfume. I'm always switching it up, putting on Victoria's Secret sprays, putting on Bath & Body Works sprays. I use this religiously for just under a year, and it's gone. And I only haven't been using it all the time because I got so low and I was saving it for special occasions. I did put some on today. It smells so good. It gave me a little confidence for doing my videos because it just smells like that raspberry, vanilla, and it's just so fresh. Anyways, this thing. I'm pretty sure this one retails around $94. It is not cheap, but it lasts a while and I use it every single day. But this thing I got from Sephora and it was $126 and it was a $166 value. It's one of their Christmas sets, so like I said, I gifted myself. And inside the box you get not only the bigger size, this is the 3 ounce of the perfume, but you also get a travel size, which is perfect because I plan on doing some traveling, more than usual anyways, in 2019. So I have the travel size because this definitely would not be TSA approved. And then also it comes with a lotion, and I've never tried the lotion before, but for the fact of the big one itself, I want to say it's over 100 because the smaller one's 94. It's over 100. So getting that, the travel size, and the lotion, this was really a steal. And it's probably one of the best Christmas presents I got for myself, honestly. I love, love, love the smell. So like I said, kind of a beauty product, kind of more of just a thing that makes you feel good. It's definitely repurchased. Actually, all of these products I've repurchased. Yeah, all of them, even the NARS, because I've gotten different shades for the summertime. I also have the Lancôme in the waterproof because I got it for when I went to Florida last year. I'm probably gonna pick up another one because I'm gonna be traveling to hot climates again in January and maybe April. So yeah, so that completes my 6 items currently that I cannot live without. I hope you found this at least a little educational. I did include all the prices for you so that way you can kind of know right offhand if that's something you want to pick up. Probably the best bang for your buck is this PIXI spray. It lasts quite a bit of time. And you can get it at drugstores. Like I said, I think I usually pick it up at Target. But 15 bucks, yeah, but if you get any other kind of setting spray that's worth a crap, it's gonna ring right around there or more. So if you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up. And if you found any of this information useful and learned something new, subscribe down below. Leave me a comment if you have tried any of these products or maybe think you were going to try one of them now after this little showdown I did for you. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.